Today I am going to discuss about the chapter symmetry. So here symmetry is what actually means what. So first of all, before going to the definition of the symmetry, so first of all some figures we will draw and then we will see the concept. So that means like this. So one figure is there, and one more figure it was some figure is there like this. This is nothing but the necklace. Okay. So here what we are having by seeing the figure. So if you can draw a line here. You draw a line here. So then this part and this part it looks like same. So actually I need to draw properly. So if it is like this one figure, like this one figure. So here if you draw a line here in between, then see properly. So here this part to the left hand side of the line and to the right hand side of the line looks similar only, no? So same, looks same. So similarly, if you divide like this, draw a line, the same part here left side and right side, we are having the same type of foldings. That is nothing but the same type of figure here. That means what? To the left side like this, we are having half of the part, and to the right side what we are having this one, which it looks like same. That means when you place this here upon the other, when you place upon the other, so it is overlapping each other. Here also that. So if you fold it, otherwise one paper if you take and draw the line, and then to the line, in between the line, to the line if you fold it, so you will have what? It will overlap each other. So that means the figure will overlap each other. So here there comes the concept of symmetry here. That means looks like same, identical, nothing but. So here what it is actually, symmetry is nothing but, symmetry is nothing but measure together. Symmetry is nothing but what? Measure together. That means what? This part and this part. So both. So we are measuring together. That means if it overlaps, then what it is? Means there comes the concept of symmetry. Means looks like same in bed. So here symmetry is nothing but measure together. Okay. And now going to the definition. So any object if you take is said to have a symmetry if it has the two or more, whatever it is. So it has the identical parts that coincide with each other when you turn it. Okay. So we are writing the definition of the symmetry. An object is said to have symmetry. An object is said to have symmetry if it has identical parts. If it has identical parts that coincide with each other, when you turns it. Okay. So when you turns it. So here what it is exactly symmetry means. So here what? When you are making it, means when you are drawing a line here, making it half, then this part and this part when you fold the paper, it looks like same. It looks like same is nothing but what? It is nothing but symmetry. It looks like same is nothing but there comes under the concept of identical parts. It is nothing but identical, another name. So here, in the case here also. So suppose if I take like this, 8 is a number. So when you take a here and this part in the left hand side, how it was? Like this it was, and in the right hand side like this it was. So when you place upon the other, means each other, so it is what? Overlapping each other. So here what? We cannot tear, or one thing you need to remember. So you need to take the object, and when you say it is a symmetry means if it has the identical parts that coincide with each other, when turns it means only we are turning. That means like this when you are having, when you fold it, or else when you place upon the other. So both, but we cannot tear and then we cannot place one upon the other. So this type of this is nothing but the concept of symmetry. Okay.